Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So in this video today, I'm about to do a review on the new Morphe Mascara. And this is the Make It Big. Yes, I've seen it everywhere on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Everybody's talking about this mascara. If you are interested in seeing the review on this mascara, then stay tuned and keep watching. So this is what the packaging looked like. And the motto is make it big. Make it big, yes. And this is, I think this is Morphe's first time. Yes, it is their very first time moving into the mascara genre. So I am very excited to see what else they have in the kitchen to cook up for us. Now, this mascara is said to experience instant volume. 100% people said they experienced that. Another 100% said they experienced an immediate lengthening effect. Another 98% said the mascara was easy to build and to layer. And if you guys already know about mascara, that is like the most important thing, is to build it up and able to layer on top of it. That is what you want to make sure happened. You want it to be as easy as possible. So I am going to try this volumizer mascara from Morphe and see if it stands to the claim. It says this is a long wearing mascara. It goes on big volume for large and in charge lash that won't flake out. Yes, yes. Now you guys already know that I'm very big on the Fenty mascara. That is my holy grail. So this mascara better do this, do that, and more in order for me to say, yes, this is now my new holy grail mascara. Now, I really love the packaging. This is like a matte. And of course, that is what the Morphe logo always look like. But I really love the packaging on this. Now the brush, and which is where it's very important. It is very small, which may give you a more precise application. And I'm looking for my Fenty just to give you guys a comparison. So if you look at both of these mascaras brushes together, there it goes, focus, focus, focus. You can see that the Fenty is flatter and wider, while the Morphe is a little longer and smaller. So we're hoping to get more control from this Morphe. And I already did my face, so the only thing left to do is to apply these mascara. Let's see if I can get these no lashes to have some mascaras on them. Stay tuned and watch this tutorial. So I'm going to wipe off the excess at the bottom. Make sure it's on the brush. Twirl it. And then I'm going to go downwards. So if you could see, if I get very close, that's what I was able to create, to look at the side that has on no mascara and the side that has on the mascara. So I would say because the brush is smaller, I was able to get each strand of my lashes. I am even able to go up into my tear duct area to get those little small ones. So there you have it. That's one eye down. And normally when my lashes, whenever I apply mascara to my lashes, they sort of stick out. For some reason, they don't curl up like Jackie Aina lashes. But that's the lashes that the Lord has given to me, so I'm going to live with them. So what I'm going to do next is do the next eye, then come back and add a second layer to this eye and see what we're working with. So that's the second eye. And remember, I really don't have lashes like that. So I'm really excited to see that I was able to create some lashes down there. And I hope I'm not blinding y'all with my big face. Okay, so looking at it, I wish my lashes curl up and not just be so straight and let my eye look so droopy, but that's the lashes I got. All right, so my final review, it did make a difference with the look, if you could see. So it did volumize, as it says, the lashes. You can see that. I have a lot of volume. As for the statement that it doesn't clunk up, I don't know how truthful that is. And maybe it's the way how I apply it. But all I know is that I apply it the same way I apply the Fenty. And I do not get all this clunk on my lashes as I do with this one. Now, as for the claim as that it's not going to flake, I wouldn't know that unless I give this a wear test. And y'all already know I'm not about to give this a wear test. So it was easy to build, yes. I was able to layer on. I didn't have issues like, you know, sometimes you use, once you put on your first layer of mascara, and then when it dries and you try to go back and now apply the second layer, you start realizing that the first layer is being removed by the brush. For some reason, on some mascara, I did not experience that on this product. So it did stand to the claim that it's easy to build. So yes, this will be added. Did I just say that? Yes. It will be added to my collection. Now, I don't know if it will replace it, but it will be added. I actually love it because I was able to get all the way up into my tear duct. So I was able to use the brush to apply something on those little small things that we have there. So I was happy to have that. So I would say it's a really good mascara if you're in the market looking for a mascara and you're not sure as to what to get. I would say to try this Morphe Mascara. Try and pick it up. It's not expensive. I think it's around $12. So comparing to the Fenty, it's good in price, right? And you get the job done also. Let me give you another close-up. So that's what it looks like. I did get a lot of volume. If you could see before I put them on, you could see that my lashes below was looking really I won't say the word. But yeah, there you have it. So yeah, again, I love the mascara. That's all that I have, guys. I had to really try to see if, you know, this raving over this Morphe mascara was true. And all I gotta say, it is, guys. Stand up to the claim. So that's all that I have. I won't keep going. Y'all know I'll keep talking. Right? Yes. Anyway, subscribe. Make sure you share these videos. Turn on your notification bell so whenever I upload a content, you won't miss it. You will be advised. And make sure you give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. Even just tell me, girl, you did a very good job on this mascara review from Morphe. That will be enough. Just leave something. Just don't watch it and just leave. And make sure you finish watching this video also to the very end. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. And I'll see you all on my very next video. Bye, guys.